was not the type, but I was scared. Closer, with every shot, closer to losing control. You didn't like me at first, but then we got to talking. We got closer to the edge. Closer made me wonder, is it possible that I can change the way you see me? You see me? And is it possible that I can stay with you if you ain't busy? I can make it worth your. Is it possible?